The World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th across the globe. This year's theme is ecosystem restoration. As we celebrate the World Environment Day 2021, we would like to present a bird's eye view of our schools, the Emirates National School's natural ecosystem.
This beautiful ecosystem is the brainchild of our beloved director and principal, Mr. Ravi Thomas. Our school's ecosystem, consisting of myriads of trees and flowering plants, as well as a few birds and animals, highlights the school's ambience. We humbly present a virtual tour of our school's natural beauty.
Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts of a flower of the same species. Honeybees make excellent pollinators because most of their life is spent in collecting pollen, a source of protein that they feed to their developing offspring. Here we observe that when a bee lands on a flower, the hairs all over the bee's body attract pollen grains through electrostatic forces, and when it lands on another flower, pollen grains are transferred to it. Honeybees play a very important role in pollination. It results in higher yields, gives a better quality of produce, and the efficient pollination of flowers also serves to protect the crops against pests.
Duck is the common name for numerous species in the waterfowl family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, mostly smaller than the swans and geese, and may be found in both freshwater and seawater. Ducks eat a variety of food sources such as grasses, aquatic plants, fish, insects, small amphibians, worms, etc. Ducks can live from 2 to 12 years depending on species. Ducks are found everywhere in the world except the Antarctica, which is too cold for them. Ducks of different species look different. Ducks have webbed feet that are designed for swimming. The duck has waterproof feathers.
Banana is produced by several kinds of herbaceous flowering plants. The fruit is variable in size and color and has soft flesh rich in starch. It may be green, yellow, red or brown when ripe. These fruits are native to tropical Indo-Malaya and Australia and are grown in over 135 countries. The world's largest producers of banana are India and China. These plants are often mistaken for trees, but what appears to be a trunk is actually a fall stem. Bananas are the best fruit sources of vitamin C, and the potassium present in them is good for your heart health.
The process of vein formation on a leaf is known as venation. There are three types of venation, namely reticulate venation, parallel venation, and furcate venation. When the veins are designed in either web-like or network-like all across the lamina, it is known as reticulate venation. Here, mulberry, a fast-growing deciduous woody perennial plant, shows reticulate venation. The common myna or Indian myna is a member of the family Sternidae native to Asia. An omnivorous open woodland bird with a strong territorial instinct, the common myna has adapted extremely well to urban environments.
Bougainvillea is a genus of thorny ornamental vines belonging to the 4 o'clock family Nyctaginaceae. Native to South America, these evergreen summer bloomers are extremely drought resistant and thrive in almost any well-draining soil.
Here, we have students studying the features of the plant Vinca rosa, otherwise known as the Cape periwinkle. It is a species native to Madagascar. The second plant is the plant commonly known as crotons. It is an extensive flowering plant genus with many varieties. This is a Chinese chaste tree, one of the few temperate zone species of the genus Vitex. These are tendrils, a slender, thread-like appendage of a climbing plant growing in a spiral form. They don't have a lamina or a blade. They can be formed from modified shoots, modified leaves, as such. They are climbers, meaning in order to grow healthily and fully, they need proper external physical support. This support allows the growing plant to gain necessary sunlight and nutrition. This is because tendrils have weak stems. Aloe vera, a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe, is an evergreen perennial that originates from the Arabian Peninsula but grows wild in tropical, semi-tropical, and arid climates around the world. It is cultivated for agricultural and medicinal uses. It is found in many consumer products, including beverages, skin lotion, cosmetics, ointments, or in the form of gel for minor burns and sunburns.
Mexican petunia or Ruelia simplex is a species native to Mexico, Caribbean, and South America. It's mainly grown because of its beauty, thanks to its sweet purple flowers. It is also known to attract swallowtail, brush-footed, and monarch butterflies.
Manure is a necessary component for soil fertility. A soil, though being one of the best and most nutritious surfaces for plant growth, doesn't fully possess all the necessary nutrients a growing plant requires. Adding manure to compacted soil helps loosen the soil. Manure produces increased soil carbon, which is an important source of energy that makes nutrients available to plants.
Mangoes are succulent aromatic fruits of the evergreen tree Mangifera indica, belonging to the Anacardiaceae family. They are indigenous to Eastern Asia, Myanmar, and India. Mango trees can be found growing in various tropical and subtropical regions and are the most widely cultivated tropical fruits throughout the world. The tender leaves of the mango tree contain a pigment called anthocyanin, which later turns into chlorophyll, causing them to grow darker and greener as they mature. This may also help in treating early diabetes.
Convolvulus pluricollis, also known as Shankpushpi, is a perennial herb that seems like morning glory. All parts of the herb are known to possess therapeutic benefits. The plant is used locally in Indian and Chinese medicine to cure various diseases. It is used in Ayurvedic formulation for chronic cough, hallucinations, and anxiety.
Exora coccinea, also known as jungle geranium, flame of woods or jungle flame, is a species of flower plant in the family Rubinaceae. It is a common flowering shrub native to southern India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants, known for their role in pollination, and in case of the best known bee species, the western honeybee, for producing honey.
We hope you all have enjoyed this video. On this occasion, we would like to express our gratitude to our beloved Ravi Thomas sir, our principal, for giving us an opportunity to enjoy such a mesmerizing natural surrounding within the school campus, which is both a feast to the eyes and a bliss to our hearts. We thank all of our supporting staffs who have helped sir in beautifying our school campus. On this day, we also pledge to be green warriors and do our bit in restoring our damaged ecosystem and in conserving the intact ecosystem. Each one of us will take action, rethink our environmental impact, and make smart changes to our lifestyle to restore our ecosystem. So let us stop ravaging and start restoring and conserving the ecosystem. Thank you.